In today's video, we are going to talk about the Unit 2 Lesson 9 grammar notes. These are on compound and possessive nouns. Please title your notes 2.9 Nouns, Compound, and Possessive. Compound nouns are nouns made up from two or more words. To make a compound noun plural, add s or es, but only add es to words ending in ch, sh, x, or z. If the word is hyphenated with a dash or written as separate words, add the s or es to the most important part of that plural noun. I've given you 3 examples. So, doorknob, to make that compound word plural, you add an s. You're combining the word door and the word knob, and then adding an s. For the compound word mailboxes, you're combining the words mail and box, and because it ends with an x, you add an es. For the word great-grandmothers, you're combining the words great and grandmothers, and you're combining them using a hyphen. Because great simply refers to which generation these grandmothers are from, grandmothers is the most important part of this compound noun. Therefore, you add the s at the end of the word grandmother. Possessive nouns name who or what has or owns something. So, to form the possessive for singular nouns and plural nouns not ending in an s, add apostrophe s. To form the possessive for a plural noun ending in s, except for a name, add only an apostrophe. So let's take a look at some singular nouns turned into possessive nouns. Tobias's teacher is referring to Tobias's only teacher. Teacher's classroom is referring to one teacher's classroom. Notice where the apostrophe is after each of those nouns. The man's coat. The apostrophe s is at the end of man, showing that we're referring to a singular man's singular coat. For plural nouns turned into possessive nouns, we have the student's teacher. Notice that apostrophe is after the s. That is showing that all of the students have that same teacher. For teacher's lounge, the apostrophe is after the s, showing that that teacher's lounge belongs to all of the teachers, not just one. And lastly, kids' shoe store has the apostrophe after the s in kids, showing that the shoe store is meant to sell shoes to all kids, not just one kid.